One of my favorite pairs of sneaks is disintegrating, and I can't figure out why. It's so scary though. A few months ago, I made a video where I found my old sneaker collection. I cracked it open, had a lot of fun going through it, and I thought I'd be able to bring some of them back, like restore them, but nah, it's actually going the other way, the opposite way. And I'm sure y'all real heads saw this coming. You could have predicted it, but I couldn't. And I'm devastated. I had dreams on putting these Air Max 95s in my own personal museum someday. You know, it's sentimental, and sometimes you want to look back at the things you've had and the things you have now. Was going to have this crazy dressing room, you know, with display cases and whatnot, but that dream has come to a fast end. Just check it out. I don't know what the heck happened, you know, and I feel vulnerable. Now I know this is just material, but it's bigger than material. It's about when you like something a lot and you have expectations, and then something like this happens and you realize you are defenseless. You can't even protect the things you value. A moment of silence for that Air Max 95. Just look at it. What happened? Some of y'all might have a clue. I don't know. I'm going to tell you my best guess, but let's reminisce a little bit. I put those, you know, along with, you know, stuff like this, the Olympic Air Force One. Luckily, these aren't in as bad of condition as those, right? Now, I'm a little scared because the sole is getting a little dry and getting a little brown, but if y'all know how to preserve sneaks better than I do, give me a clue, man. Give me a tip, because I like to have something to hold on to just for nostalgia. Okay, so not Air Max, AF1 Olympic. No. I'm tripping? Carnival, Olympic. Yeah, Olympic. Okay. And Rasta, as I call them. Right? And these two are a little better than the Olympics. The bubble is still intact. It's cloudy as hell. But I don't know, man. I'm trying to use a lifeline. Check that out. That's nasty, right? These are falling apart like the roof in an old station wagon. Remember riding in the back of a station wagon with the liner all torn up, and the kids with them little peasy heads would have all that little foam in their hair. This reminds me of that. These are actually dropping crumbs. I actually need a mask so I don't inhale this stuff. What happened? I mean, the bubble is even coming apart. My best guess is crickets. You know, sometimes we get crickets in the crib. I don't know, man. This is terrible. I must admit, I'm a bit sad, but life goes on. Always more packages to pop. You know, crazy low. Speaking of low, this past weekend, I went to an event up in Brooklyn called Get Low Below the Brooklyn Bridge, hosted by Nacho Loren. This guy got crazy low. He's a rack breaker. You'll like that episode. Check it out. He talks about what it means to be a lowhead and tells a bit of his story on how he became a lowhead. You see some cool interruptions by Just Low and Low Ferregno. All right, so check that out. Also, the fall outfit competition is coming soon. Today is October 5th. Let's do the competition. No, let's have the entries in by the 15th. Okay, today's the 5th. Had those in by the 15th. But we don't want photos this time. I want a simple video of you in your outfit, because video is more engaging. You just email it to davey380@gmail.com. Right? And put fall outfit in the subject so it's easy to search. I don't want to miss nobody. I appreciate you watching. Now check out that Nacho Loren video. It's dope. I promise.